Dear student, it is the topic 4.2, that is chemical bond. What is chemical bond? It is actually the force of attraction. Force of attraction between atoms. Force of attraction between atoms that hold them together in a substance. If any two atoms are there and they tend to form a bond between them, then the force of attraction between two atoms, if two atoms are there and they will attract each other, they will form bond with each other, then this force of attraction that hold these atoms together in a substance, that will be called as chemical bond. This will be called as chemical bond. If 2 electrons are there in the valence shell, it is called as duplet rule, and when 8 electrons are there in the valence shell, it is called as octet rule. These two rules are related to the chemical bond. How these two rules are related to the chemical bond? When atoms combine to complete either duplet rule or either octet rule, they will combine together by a reaction, by sharing of electrons or by losing or giving electrons. It means that they will form chemical bond between them to complete their duplet and octet rule. Now the chemical bond between the ions, chemical bond formed due to electrostatic force of attraction between the ions. If two ions are there, either like H positive ion and Cl negative ion, there will be electrostatic force of attraction between these two ions. It is electropositive and it is electronegative. They both will attract to each other, and as a result a bond will be formed between these two atoms. This bond will be called as chemical bond. How chemical bond form between the similar atoms? If similar atoms are there, bond formation between similar atoms or atoms that have comparable electronegativities. Bond formation between similar atoms. Similar atoms can be two hydrogen atoms, two chlorine atoms, two iodine atoms, or any two similar atoms can be there. Two oxygen atoms can also be there. It means that between any two similar atoms or the atoms that have comparable electronegativities. Comparable electronegativity means that their electronegativity values are close to each other. If two atoms are there and they are forming bond between them and they have comparable electronegativities, like one have the electronegativity value of 2.1 and other have the electronegativity value of 2.2. It means that they have comparable electronegativity values, that the electronegativity values are close to each other. Then how the bond will be formed between them? The chemical bond will be formed between them due to sharing of electrons between them, and sharing can be mutual, that both atoms will share their electron, or one-sided. It means that only one atom will share the electrons between both of the atoms. If two atoms are there and they are coming close to each other to form the chemical bond, two types of forces can dominate between them. What are these forces? Either attractive forces or either repulsive forces. If two atoms come close to each other, attractive forces can also be there, that they will attract to each other, and repulsive forces can also be there, that they will repel each other and stay away from each other. And if attractive forces dominate, chemical bond will be formed between them. If attractive forces dominate between two atoms, they will attract each other and form the chemical bond between them. When they form the chemical bond, energy of that bond will be lowered. As they form the chemical bond and they become stable, when they become stable, their energy will be lowered. When we are excited, our energy is higher, and when we become stable, our energy become lowered. Same is the case here. When they are far away from each other, their energy is higher, and when they form the chemical bond, their energy become lowered. And if repulsive forces dominate, they repel each other, and then no chemical bond will be formed and energy of the system increases.